This is Mr. Westfall, and today's lesson is how to install RAM. Not this type of RAM. Not even this type of RAM. Random access memory. RAM modules come in all different shapes, sizes, and capacities. They plug into the dual inline memory module, or DIMM slots, on the motherboard. For this lab, you will have to access the BIOS and go into the System Information menu. You will then have to identify how much RAM is already installed in the computer. Note that there is 1024 megabytes or 1 gigabyte already installed in one of the 4 slots. Next, you want to make sure to unplug the computer and press the power button to discharge any capacitors. Remove the lid from the system unit. You may also have to remove some of the other components to access the RAM. Now that you could see the RAM, confirm that the number of RAM modules installed in the motherboard matches the information that you found in the BIOS. Now you want to obtain some additional RAM modules from me, Mr. Westfall. Note the key notch in the RAM stick. This ensures that you do not install it incorrectly. The RAM can only be installed one way. Insert the RAM into a single DIMM slot with the gold pins facing downwards. Then you want to firmly press on each side of the RAM module until it clicks into place. Don't be afraid to press firmly because it does take some force. Watch again carefully as I install the RAM module in the DIMM slot on the motherboard. Reassemble the computer and enter the BIOS again. This time you're going to have to go to the Advanced menu and execute a memory test. Hit F10 to continue with the test. At this point, the computer will reboot itself. You will see the blue startup screen, and then the computer will execute the memory test. This process takes a few moments, so please be patient. Confirm that the RAM that you've just installed is recognized by the computer by going into the System Information menu again. Note that the 512 megabyte RAM module that I installed is recognized by the computer. Lastly, give yourself a pat on the back because Geek Squad charges $39.99 or more to install RAM in your computer. Great job. As always, thank you for watching my channel. If you have any suggestions as to how I can improve this video, please let me know. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Please. This is Westfall, signing out. Dubs.